morning, dear student. I hope you completed your practice questions those are given in previous videos. And today I will explain like and unlike decimals and how to use operations addition and subtraction in decimal numbers. So here like and unlike decimal chapter 8 decimals like say here you know that decimal places in the decimal numbers. Yesterday I explained, or previous video I explained how to write the decimal places in decimal numbers. So the decimal numbers which have the same number of decimal places are known as like decimals. Suppose if I write 0.5, 0.7 and 0.1, they are examples of are 0.25, 0.89 or 7.23. They are examples of like fractions or like decimals. These are also like decimals. Like decimals. See, 0.5, 0.7, 0.1 and so on all are having only one decimal places. So they are examples of like decimals. I see here 0.25, 0.89, 7.23 and so on. They are also like decimals because all are having two decimal places. You know the decimal places, the number of digit just come after the point. So here after one digit, so one decimal place. Here after one decimal place. Here after point one digit, so one decimal place. Here after point all are decimals having two digits, so they are two decimal places. So they are like decimals. And similarly, you can define the unlike decimals. Suppose if I write these two together, that is after this you will write this. So they are unlike decimals. They are unlike decimals. See, because say these are having one decimal place and these are having two decimal places. So if you write all the numbers together, they are examples of unlike decimal places. Means the decimal numbers which have different decimal places, they are called unlike decimal places. Any unlike decimal place can be converted to like decimal by writing the number of zeros at the end of the decimal place. Suppose if all written together, they are unlike decimal place. If question is came to convert these into like decimal place, so see here count the decimal places here 2. So these number decimal places also will be 2. But these are having one decimal place. You can write at last one 0 like this. So now these are like decimal places. So any unlike decimal places can be converted to like decimal places by adding or at the end we have to add the number of 0. The 0.5, the value of 0.5 is the same as the value of 0.5. 0, how many 0 you can write at the end of the decimal place. So you can easily convert unlike decimal place into like decimal place by writing the number of 0 at the end of decimal numbers. So now here come on question number 101 page. Convert given unlike decimals into like decimal place. On page number 101. Your first question C. Children, question paper C from your notebook. I will not write the question because time is very less. I want to explain or do more and more questions. See, first one is 0.3 and second decimal number 0.29 and this third decimal number is 0.104. See, this decimal place 1 and here 2 decimal place. Here 3 decimal place. So they are unlike decimal place. They are unlike decimal. They are given unlike decimals. These can be converted to like decimal place. Here maximum decimal places are 3. So all the decimal numbers will be 3 decimal place, but here only 1 decimal place. So you can write 20. The value of 0.3 is same as the value of 0.300, and this number can be written as like this. This can be 2.90, and this number can be written as the same as 3 decimal places. So see, here also 3 decimal places, here also 3 decimal places, here also 3 decimal places. So they are like decimal places. They are like decimals. They are like decimals. So these unlike decimal places are the unlike decimal numbers are converted to like decimals. Okay, I hope you can do the remaining questions. Suppose you last one 6. It not depends the whole number part. Conversion of like from unlike, it is not depend the whole number part. Keep your mind. Suppose 6 1 here 1.982 and 1.2 and 1.34. See, here 3 decimal places, here 1 decimal place, here also 2 decimal places. So maximum number of decimal places are 3. So all the numbers will have 3 decimal places. They are unlike decimals. We have to convert it into like decimal. So 1.982. No changing for decimal number. This 1.220 can be written 1.341. So now they are like decimals. So after that, comparison of decimal numbers. The comparison of decimal numbers just like whole number. So if you are able to compare the whole number, you can easily compare the decimal numbers. Page number 102. Asking circle the greater decimal numbers 0.42 and 0.73. If you remove the point, see 4273, which is greater, this number is greater. So this decimal number also greater. So this as circle. So I hope you can compare easily. 9th one. Here 1.52. And here you can 1.54. So you can easily convert all of the part of say 0.52, 0.54, which is written this number. So you have to circle this one. If I were to tell the greater decimal numbers, you can easily tell the smaller decimal numbers. So second question you can do by yourself. Now come on here, operation with decimals. Your first operation is addition of decimal numbers. So keep your mind that before addition or subtraction of decimal numbers, you have to convert. If they are unlike decimal place, will be converted to like decimal place. So it is necessary to check before addition or subtraction the given decimal numbers are like or unlike. If they are unlike, we have to convert into like decimal place, and after that we have to arrange all the point in a vertical lines. That is all the decimal you have to arrange in a vertical line, and you know how to arrange whole number part, ones below ones, tens below tens, and 100 below 100, and so on. And decimal parts you have to arrange that first decimal place should be below first decimal place, and second decimal place should be below second decimal place, and third decimal place below third decimal place, and you can add like a whole number, and in answer you just write point below the point. So in this way you can do addition or subtraction of decimal numbers. So by doing some question you can understand more. Now come on exercise. Here page number 102. First one, suppose I want to here written this is already arranged this and 5.746 and plus 4.093. So just add like whole number 7 and 6 and 3 9, 9 and 7 16, 1 carry 5 6 4 10 and 9 again will carry 3 1 4 11 1. No problem. Just 1 will carry at point should below point. Just keep your point in answer just below point. And then you have to add this 8 and 1 9, 9 and 9 18. So answer will be 88.196. Don't forget to write the decimal in your answer, otherwise answer will be wrong. See, suppose you are going to write the decimal, this number is 18,196, and now this number is near about 18. So there is too much difference between 18,000 and 18. This number near about 8, this number near about 6, this number near about 4. So if you add, then this answer will come. So I hope the remaining you can do by yourself. I am going to do how to arrange the decimal numbers. Suppose here one more question, fifth one we want to do. We have got 372.5, 15.486 9, and then 8.37, and then 459.128. Here the numbers are arranged already. Suppose anybody given, you have to write without arranging 372.5, 15.4869, 8.37, 459.128 without arranging. Suppose anybody given or question are given. So you have to arrange like this, and after that you should convert it into line decimal place. See here 4 decimal place, here 1 decimal place, here 2 decimal place, here 3 decimal places. So maximum here 4 decimal places. So all the numbers should have 4 decimal places. Those having less decimal place, you have to increase the number of zeros so that all the decimal numbers should have 4 decimal places. So here 3 0 you can write, here 2 0, and here 1 0. And this whole number part you know how to add. This is not new value. Now add 9, 8 and 6, 14, 1 carry, 8 and 1, 9, 9 and 7, 16 and 2, 18, 5 and 6 and 4, 10, 10, 13, 14, 4, and decimal just be below decimal, and you have to give carry here 2 1 3 and 5 8, it is 16, 16 and 9 25, 2 carry 7 to 9 1 10, 10 and 5 15, again 1, and 4 and 3 7 and 1 8. So 855 855.4849. So I know, I hope you understand how to balance and add. So and see, suppose here I want to add one even without arranging 202.13 and then plus 470.295 and plus 66.00. This whole number part 202, 470, 66. I hope you know how to add 202, 470 and 66. They are whole number. And then see how to add 0.13, 0.295, 0.07 without any changing. Many students are confused, they are putting here 0. So at the end of decimal numbers, you can write the 0. See, here ending after 3, so after 3 should be 0. Here ending 5, so after 5 will be 0. And no changing before 5. And see after 7 you can write 0. Before 7, no need to any disturbance. So you know how to add. First you add the first decimal place. Are the how many places? 1, 2, 3. That is 3 decimal number. So 3 points should be written like this. And this whole number 202.13 and this 470.295 3 decimals here 2 decimals and there 66.07. See, you can add simply. There are 3 decimals here 2 only. You can add at the end of 0. See here in this table, after 7 you should write 0. You can add simply 5 and then 12 and 7, 19, 1 carry, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, no carry, point should be 0 point, and 2 and 6, 8, and 7 and 6, 13. 1 will be carry, 4 to 6, and 1, 7. So this will be answer. I hope you know how to add the decimal numbers. You have to balance and add like the whole number, and don't forget to add the decimal in your answer. Decimal just below decimal. So the addition of decimal number just like whole number, nothing different. Don't think this is different. Just your action like a whole number. So I hope problem solving. You know how to use the operations in problem solving. So here problem solving you can complete by yourself. I hope you will complete. And after that subtraction of decimal number, before I get to do addition of decimal numbers, easily you can do subtraction of decimal numbers. All the process just like addition. So by doing some question 1 or 2, you can just do this also. In problem solving, you can write the statement in your language or from the book directly or any way. And see how to do. Here first one, answer number 105 subtract like that. First one 73.5241. You know the value of this 73.524 means this value near about 74. This number less than 74 and greater than 73. So from that number you want to subtract 38.9475. Just subtraction like the whole number, nothing different. Only points will be below point. correct answer your near about or approximately you can guess your answer. So 11 minus 5 is 6. Here 3. 13 minus 7 is 6. Here 11 minus 4 is 7. And here 14 minus 9 is 5. And here 12 minus 8 is 4. Here 6 minus 3 is 3. So your answer will be about 34 point something. 34.576. And after that, suppose your third one, they are line decimal because this decimal number having 4 decimal place and this having also 4 decimal place. So you can do it here. And if they are not like decimal, first you convert into like decimals. See your third one, 237.253 minus 152.0896. Many students are thinking they are different things. There is special thing to subtraction, addition, and subtraction of decimal numbers. Nothing different, just like whole number, nothing different. See here, I told you have to check they are like decimal or unlike. See here, 4 decimal places, and the first decimal numbers is only 3 decimal places. So this also should be like the first decimal number also should have 4 decimal places. So you can write add the in 1 0. See, the 0 can be written at last. No 0 can be written between here 2 and 3. So see, now you can subtract like whole number, nothing different, just like whole number. Without seeing the decimal, you can subtract these two numbers easily. You take 4 from here, so it will become 10 minus 6 is 4. Here 12 minus 9 is 3. Here 14 minus 8 is 6. Here 1 point should be below point. Don't forget to write your decimal in your answer. Here 7 minus 5 and 2 is 7 minus 2 is 5, and here 13 minus 5 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. So your answer is 85.1634. So if one you want to subtract from 83.9, want to subtract 7, near about 7.6256. That is you want to subtract 7 from 84, near about 84. This number is more close to 84. So you can guess your answer only. Here see 4 decimal places and first number only 1 decimal place. So this number also should have 4 decimal places, but here only 1 decimal place. So you can write 3 zeros at the end. That is after 9. You can subtract 10 minus 6 is 4, and 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 2 is 7. 8 minus 6 is 2. Point should be below point. And here 13 minus 7 is 6. And here 7. So 76.2744. So in this way you can complete. And 8th one, I would like to do 8th one when you are confused how to write a whole number into decimal numbers. See here 10 minus 0.9999. See here 0.9999. This number is more close to 1, less than 1. So you want to subtract 1, near about 1 from 10. Then your answer will be near about 9. So you can guess approximately your answer. And children, many are thinking, sir, this is decimal number, this is a whole number. So any whole number can be written as a decimal number, by putting at last point, and after point you can write so many zeros. How many zeros are required? So see here, this number near about 1, this is 10. It means you have to subtract 1 from 10. So your answer near about 9. So you can guess your answer, so that your answer is correct. So 10 can be written 6 10 can be written 10 point. If any number not written point, you suppose the point at the end of the number, that is at last. So 10 can be written 10 point, and after point you can write 1 2 3 4 decimal places. Here also should be 4 decimal places. So 10 can be written like this, 10.0000, because in second decimal numbers having 4 decimal places, and this point below point 999. Here no number is different, so you can write 0. You can subtract like 4 number, nothing different. So take 4 from here, it becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1, and here 9 minus 9 is 0. Point should be below point, and here become 9 also. So 9, your answer is 9.001. So think how to do this type of question, and you have to make more and more practice. Tenth one, here one subtract from 2365.5. You want to subtract here about 366 from 2000. So you guess your answer. After solving, can check it. So this is decimal number, this is whole number. I want how to write any whole number in decimal form. At the end, you should write point. When you are not saying the point in this number, they are saying in this number no point. But if any number I stand in the previous question, no problem. 2000.1, because they are not decimal place. So you can subtract 365.53. Once 365 is in ones, tens, 100. So ones is below ones place. You know how to subtract the whole number part. And 5 decimal place, so below 5 decimal place. So take 4 from here, 10 minus 5 is 5. And here 9 minus 5 is 4. Then 9 minus 6 is 3. And here 9 minus 3 is 6. And 1 minus 9 is 1. So answer is 1634.5. I hope how to do addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. And after that, next video I will discuss how to solve decimal numbers of combined operation of addition and subtraction. So children, how was the video? Please tell me, and I will meet you next video. Thanks for watching.